Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing Windows into recovery and letting the automatic tools try first. This saves time and preserves files. Once you boot from the USB installer, choose Repair Your Computer and then Start Up Repair. The tool scans boot configuration and replaces corrupt boot files automatically. Make sure to note any error codes shown. They point to specific failures. If Startup Repair completes, reboot to confirm Windows starts normally. If not, proceed to the manual repair steps described next. Once Startup Repair fails, use the command prompt to repair boot records and rebuild the BCD. This resolves common bootloader corruption. Then run sfc/scano and DISM to repair system file integrity, because corrupted system files often block startup. Make sure to run CHKDSK to check for disk errors. Bad sectors can derail boot. If commands complete, try safe mode to isolate drivers or startup apps. If Windows boots in safe mode, uninstall recent drivers or updates before a normal reboot. To finish, perform a system restore to a known good point or use Reset This PC with the Keep Files option to reinstall Windows while preserving data. This often resolves deep configuration issues. If you prefer, do an in-place repair install from the USB to keep apps and settings. Make sure to verify startup after each step. Troubleshooting tip: if software fixes fail, test hardware, check smart data for the drive and receipt, or swap RAM and cables, because failing hardware mimics startup faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.